Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by ensuring VSCode, the C++ extension, and a compiler are installed. This is essential, so includes resolve. Once done, open your workspace folder and create a new CPP file. Make sure your compiler binaries are on path so the terminal can call G++ or CL. Now type hash include Iostream at the top and add int main, std. Count hello std. Endl, return 0, to create a minimal test program. Next, you configure VSCode to compile the file, create a tasks, JSON with a G++ command, or configure to use CL, exe for MSVC. This instructs VSCode how to build the program, so hash include lines linked to headers. Make sure see CPP properties. JSON includes the correct include path to your compiler's include folder. That helps IntelliSense find Iostream. Then run the build task and examine the problem's pane. Fix any missing path or wrong include paths before proceeding to run. Finally, create a launch JSON configuration to run and debug the compiled executable so you can step through code and inspect outputs. Once configured, press run or use the terminal to execute the produced binary and confirm your count prints. If the compiler cannot find Iostream, make sure the compiler is properly installed that include path points to the compiler headers, and that path exposes the compiler binaries. One key troubleshooting tip: reopen VS Code after path changes so environment updates take effect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.